All right, welcome back to our study session with Melly. Fair use. Okay, disclaimer: fair use for educational purposes only. This is for students who wants to improve their English skills. And yes, without further ado, let me share to you this 30-item multiple choice test order of adjectives according to Dosas Comp. Ano yung Dosas Comp? Determiner, opinion, size, age, shape, color, O, origin, M, material, and P, purpose, or it could be also Q or qualifier. But mostly we have to use P. Okay, so within 10 minutes, no, kailangan natin masagot to, and we already consume 1 minute of our timer. So without further ado, and again, let's get started. Number one, choose the correct order phrase. Excuse me. Based on a standard order of adjectives. Okay. So yung tactic ko dito guys no is uunahin ko dito yung dito sunod sa noun. Ayun. Wooden. Shape round. Size small. Opinion. Kita nyo? Yan ko siya inaatake kapag order of adjectives. Number two, choose the correct order phrase. So, ililiitan ko na no para maka letter D agad kayo. Just in case matagal ako mag-answer. Well, matagal talaga ako nag-answer. Okay, number two, choose the correct ordered phrase. Again, correct. Scarf, silk, French origin, color. Kita ko agad kapag inuuna nyo ang malapit sa noun. Dish, thigh. Sulat niyo yung dosas com sa ano nyo, paper nyo para ma-check nyo kung nandyan. Thigh. Thigh origin. May color ba? Walang color. Shape. May shape? Wala. Age. May age? Wala. Size. Meron. Large. Spicy. Saan na pabilang yung spicy? Yun lang. Okay, I go with number 4. Select the correct order. Okay, box. Nag-usapin natin box. Rectangular, that is shape. Yung golden color yan, no? So, yan. Okay lang. Wait lang, ha? Golden is color. Dapat sunod ni color is si shape. Dapat sunod ni si shape. Oh my God. Rectangular shape. Mahirap to ah. It is rectangular shape versus color. So, alin yung uunahin natin? Di ba last between shape versus color, last si color. Old is age. Heavy is... Nako po. Bahala na to. Number 5, which is the correct? Ayun, leather. That is a material. Correct. Italian dapat kasunod yan kasi origin. Italian, sunod Italian dapat color. Black, stylish, ano. Number 6. Okay. My Chinese, which is origin. My stone din, which is a material. Ayan na naman tayo guys. Pinahihirapan na naman tayo. Pag ganito lumabas ulit, ewan ko na lang. Huwag naman sana, Lord. So, stone, that is definitely ako. Pero dapat malapit si material kay origin, which is Chinese, no? Dapat una, fascinating, ancient. Ano yung stone? Bahala nun eh. Seven. Ito, lumabas to sa let. German car. German sports car. Sports car is the noun. Ay, nako, Lord. A red, fast German sports car or a fast red German sports car? Bahala na kayo dyan. Diba, ang hirap nito. Hindi pwedeng isang basa mo lang, alam mo na. Number 8. A beautiful, okay. Beautiful vintage that is age. Round shape. Kung ayan. Swiss. So, dapat classy wristwatch. That is a material. Number 10. Identify. Okay. Sweater is the material. Material, walang origin. So, proceed tayo sa color. So, dapat kasunod ni sweater is brown. Ay, hindi. Sweater is the material. Sweater is the noun. Material is woolen. Ayun, woolen. Material. Sunod ni material is color brown. Thick is shape. Comfortable. Okay, kita ko na. Cute, tiny Persian. Hindi talaga kaya ng 10 minutes ang 30 items na ganito. Oh my God. Patawan. Okay, Persian, white, tiny. Okay, yan. Select Italian pizza. Italian. Homemade. Homemade big item. Delicious. Homemade big Italian pizza. Okay, ang hirap pala, no? Wooden. Okay, that is material. Wooden. Brown. Sturdy. Sturdies. Ano? You go in, out, do your throw, baby, you strike, pose, when I'm with you on my soul. 14. Hindi na kinaya, guys. Time's up na. 14. Okay, let's just finish this. Hanggang 20 na lang siguro tayo. 20. 14. Warm, fluffy, white woolen blanket. Woolen material, white color. Fluffy is opinion. I mean, fluffy is opinion. On my soul. 16. Decorative. Soft blue square pillow. Which phrase? Okay. Modern is definitely what you call that? Determiner. Ay, opinion yan. Modern, size tall. A modern, tall, and a magnificent modern, tall glass. Ganyan siguro, no? Ay, ang hirap nito, be. Sports bike. Electric is the material, white. Oh my god. Electric. A new. A slick. A slick. New. Hindi dapat electric yung last eh. Electric white. Yeah, 19 to 20 lang muna tayo, guys. If you want the continuation, you can just ask for the flashcard or Anki document for this one with answer key attached to it. 19, hiking backpack. Oh, meron na tayong purpose. Hiking, definitely hiking backpack. Hiking, that is purpose. So, last na yan. Ano yung sunod ni hiking? Material. Material dapat. Hiking. Waterproof siguro, no? Rugged. Rugged, I think that is opinion. Last 20. Which phrase? Okay. Country. Cozy. Wooden. That is material. Wooden. Age. Ang hirap nito ah. Nahihirapan ako. Old. I think wooden yung last eh, kasi that is... Ano yung country? I think that's purpose. A cozy old wooden country house siguro. I am confident to number 20. So let's check. So ayan. 1 to 20. Wait, 1 to 10 muna. Yan, 1 to 10. Pause the video and take a screenshot of it and check your answers if it's correct. 1 to 10. Okay, 11 to 20. So that's it, guys. That is set number 2. Order of adjectives. I hope you guys, challenge yourself for more harder questions just like this. Kahit ako hindi ko kinaya na i-answer tong order of adjectives in just 10 minutes. sumobra talaga tayo sa time. Anyway, thank you for watching or studying with me. This has been Melly. Bye bye. See you on the next video.